We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 8.5 by 28 foot black V-nose enclosed trailer with blackout. This does have an extended tongue with the jack, coupler, and safety chains, as well as the breakaway system. Has 24 inches of black ATP stone guard on the nose. This does have a screwless black finish. This does have two Greaseable 7,000-pound axles with 16-inch wheels and tires. It does have a light above your tires. Coming around back, we do have your loading ramp. This is a spring-assisted loading ramp with plywood interior and floors. This trailer does have an interior height of 7.5 feet. Has your D-rings built in. Passenger entry door here. And then a light switch that does go for your lighting. Could be seen here. There are 3 LED light strips, as well as the manual roof vent. This does have LED drive lights. And then we do see the exterior view of that passenger side entry door. It does have the bar lock as well as the RV style lock with a light above the door. Once again, if you're interested in this trailer, this is going to be the 8.5 by 28 foot black with blackout V-nose enclosed trailer. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.